Do you do video adverts here, like video coverage?
Video coverage?
Yes.
Yes, that is what I do for a living. Sit down.
Yeah. I hope you can do this job very well. I need a perfect clean job.
My friend, I have been into this job for more than 45 years now. I can do it very well. Excuse me. Someone has been calling me since. Let me just, for some seconds.
Alright, no problem.
Hello? Akeu. Listen. I have told you time with that number that 200,000 naira cannot do this job. 200,000 naira cannot do a perfect job for you. Listen, you know I'm a professional video man. I don't do anyhow work. I give you the best quality in the world. Listen, wait. Stop monopolizing this issue. How can you sarcassinate that 200,000 naira can cover your events? I have been into this job and you have been seeing my professional work. So if you want me to give you a befitting work, a good job, you have to pay me the sum of 300,000 naira. I'm going to give you a befitting job. See, no problem. They are calling me already. Many clients are calling me, and you know that someone is already waiting for me. I will get back to you, please. I will get back to you. Thank you. My brother, I'm sorry. I can do it very well. That's my work.
Okay, sir. As you were trying to receive your call, your battery fell off from your phone. Here is the battery, sir.
It fell off from the phone, yes. The phone have inbuilt battery. Even if as this one fell off, there's still another inbuilt battery.
We know. Thank you for that.
I don't understand.